So today I'm reviewing Glumoria London's premium hair extension tape. I'm just going to be showing you guys up close of what this is. It comes with 144 strips, and this was given to me by the brand to give my honest opinion about it and talk about it. Let's see. I have it here just in case so I can make sure I'm telling you guys the right information. But it's hair tape for hair extensions, tape and tape replacement. Um, they're 1.6 by zero point 0.3 inch pre-cut tabs. So that's really good. And also the rating is pretty good. It's 4.3 on Amazon if you want to check out their product page. And it also has directions of use here. Ensure your hair and scalp are clean, dry, and free of oils, conditioners, or styling products. And then it just gives you the rest of the stuff. And they always recommend you to do a patch test. It was designed in New York. Let's see what else. Basically, that's it. And this is the product, so you guys can see up close how it looks. And then here are the tapes. They also have a card here, like for assistance or anything like that, and like how to remove your tape, which is really nice. A card on how to remove it. Nothing else is in here. Okay, so this is how the tapes look. Let me see. Let me get one out. This is how they look up close. They are pre-cut. Um, it's really easy to slide off. As you see here, you just have to peel these off and apply the tape. They're double-sided, so be aware of that, and they're very sticky. So if you're not careful, they can be like this. You can like mess up, which is why they give you a lot of tape, just in case it's your first time handling a product like this. But yeah, like if you struggle, I recommend you to either look up on YouTube of someone applying it. I don't have any hair extensions on me at the moment, so I can't like show you guys how to put it on correctly and how to use this tape correctly. But it comes with a lot. They're pre-cut, which is nice. You don't need to bother with scissors or anything like that since it's already a lot to put in your extensions. And yeah, so as long as you follow directions and you feel like this will be a good product for you, the price is not that bad for it either. Like for this much tape strips. So I completely do, in my opinion, I do recommend this product because it's nice. And then if especially if you wear hair extensions every day, yeah, they're gonna run out quick. So I would completely recommend this product. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.